Have you ever wondered how a man greets you? If he's really head over heels in love with you? Is it just a simple hi or something more special? Ladies, in today's video we're going to show you how a man greets you when he's completely smitten. It's not just a normal hello, it's a greeting filled with emotion, a deeper connection and a clear sign that he's crazy about you. If you want to know how to tell if he's secretly in love with you, even without him saying a word, you will definitely want to watch this video. We dive into the unique signs and gestures that show how much a man cares when he's head over heels for you. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel beloved and happy. And stay tuned for more fascinating psychology, facts, and relationship insights. Now, let's dive into the 5 specific ways a man greets you when he's really crazy about you. Number 1. The first thing to look for when a guy is crazy about you is his smile. A genuine smile isn't just a polite gesture, it's an emotional expression that reveals his true feelings. If a man greets you with a smile that lights up his whole face, it's a clear sign that he's pleased to see you. But it's not just any smile. It's a smile that goes beyond the surface. His eyes will soften, the corners of his eyes will crinkle and there will be a palpable warmth in his expression. This smile is often hard to fake and shows his excitement and happiness to be in your presence. A polite smile may be a quick curve of the lips, but a real smile, a smile that reaches his eyes, indicates a deep emotional connection. It shows that when he sees you, he can't help but feel joy. His subconscious reaction to you is so strong that it naturally spills over into his facial expression. This type of greeting shows that you are bringing him more than just casual happiness, you are making him genuinely excited. Number 2. There's a certain kind of hug that says more than words ever could. When a man greets you with a warm, enthusiastic embrace, especially one that lasts a little longer than expected, it's a sign that he feels something deeper than friendship. While a casual hug may only last a second, a hug from a man who's genuinely interested in you will be more secure, more intentional. He may hold you a little longer, pressing you gently but firmly into his arms as if to savor the moment. This kind of hug is different from what you'd get from an acquaintance or a casual friend. It's the kind of hug that shows a man cares, a hug that communicates an unspoken bond between the two of you. It's more than just physical contact. It's about trust, comfort and a desire to be close to you, even without saying anything. This greeting shows that he feels it, with enthusiasm and affection. Number 3. Another surefire sign that he's head over heels in love with you is when he says your name in a lively, upbeat tone that shows he's excited to see you. It's not just what he says, but how he says it. He might emphasize your name or even say it with a little extra energy. Something like, "Hey, your name," with a smile that reflects his excitement. This kind of greeting makes you feel special. Because it shows him that you stand out. You're not just another person. You're someone he's been waiting to see by calling your name with genuine excitement. He's letting you know that you're on his mind and that his heart is beating a little faster when you're around. He's happy to be in your presence and wants you to know it. Number 4. The eyes are often called the windows of the soul, and with good reason. When a man greets you and his eyes lock with yours, it reveals much more than mere attraction. If he leans in slightly and maintains steady, deep eye contact, it's a clear indication that he's really focused on you. It's as if the rest of the world fades away at that moment. And all he sees is you. Prolonged eye contact during a greeting isn't just about physical attraction. You can't fake that. When a man locks eyes with you, especially when he's head over heels, he's not just trying to show interest, he's trying to connect with you on a deeper level. Such eye contact signals trust, intimacy and a degree of emotional vulnerability. It's a way for him to silently express how much he cares without saying a word. Number 5. His gaze tells you that you're important and he's invested in the moment with you. 5. Sometimes, when a man is completely taken with you, he might use playful banter or light teasing as part of his greeting. It's not to make fun of you, far from it. Instead, it's a way for him to create a fun, flirtatious atmosphere and signal his affection through humor. When he greets you with a playful comment, gently teasing you, it's his way of showing that he's comfortable around you and enjoys your company. Humor is a powerful tool for building rapport, and if a man is interested in you, he may use it to break the ice or make you laugh. This kind of greeting is often full of affection and shows that he's trying to make you smile. It also reveals his desire to engage with you on a deeper emotional level, as he uses humor to make a connection and keep the atmosphere light. This playful banter can be a sign that he's not only interested in you, but that he enjoys your company and wants to make your interactions memorable. So those were the 5 ways a man greets you when he's really crazy about you. If you've noticed any of these signs, or if a man has greeted you in one of these ways, we want to remind you that your relationship is special and that you have a unique place in someone's heart. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends so they too can benefit from this fascinating and romantic topic. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to the beloved and happy channel. Your support and subscription means the world to us. Let us know in the comments which of these ways you've experienced. Or which is your favorite. We can't wait to hear your thoughts. And finally, remember this. Love is the dream that every heart desires. And when a man greets you in a way that touches your heart, the moment becomes unforgettable.